Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the Makeup Mummy family. And guys, if you are new to my channel, it'd be awesome if you can hit that subscribe button and join me here at Makeup Mummy. And if you do, remember and hit that bell, as it will notify you every time I upload, which is Fridays and Sundays. So guys, this is a super exciting video for me because I finally got my hands on some of the Revolution Pro. As soon as this was released, I kind of knew I had to try it out. I've just got 3 bits here, nothing major, just a palette and 2 lip products because I just wanted to sort of dip my toes into that pool. But because of what I've saw and how it's worked when I've used it, I'm actually waiting to repurchase some more and place an order today. So guys, I have been using these products, for a little bit now since I've got them, just to sort of test them out and sort of see how they work, how they perform, so that I can bring to you my thoughts on them and let you guys know whether it's worth picking them up or not. Yeah, so you know what, just without further ado, let's just delve on in this video. Okay guys, I'm pretty much wearing one of the lip pigments, and also I'm wearing the eyeshadow. Now on top of this lip pigment, as you can see, I already had to take something off and I've sort of not concealed that bit, so let's just ignore that, okay? I've put a little bit of gloss on top of this pigment just to sort of give it a bit of shine. I've worn this with gloss, without gloss, and both ways are beautiful. The eyeshadow, God, guys, let's show you, shall we? So first of all, this is the little palette right here. They have multiple palettes that they've just released. So many, it's unreal. You've got just matte palettes, shimmer palettes, a bit of both, lots of different colours. I think the next one I'm really intrigued to get is the Celestial. It has lots of like way out colours and way out shimmers that I just really want to try. They also have, guys, packs of 5 individual shadows that are magnetic, and they're also selling magnetic palettes as well in 3 different sizes, small, medium and large. They also have pressed glitters as well, individual pressed glitters. I mean, it's super exciting. They've just also launched new concealers and foundations and foundation drops. It has gone mad. I am super excited for Makeup Revolution as a brand, or should I say Revolution Beauty now. Revolution Pro, Adam Minto, they're really up in their game, and everything is still so affordable. Now, before we really get into this video, I just want to make it clear, guys, that nobody from Makeup Revolution, Revolution Beauty, they don't know who I am. Adam Minto doesn't know who I am. I am just reviewing these products. I bought all of this with my own money. I will continue to buy what I can with my own money. And if there was any change at all, I would let you guys know. But for the foreseeable future, there's not going to be a single change in that fact, okay? Nobody knows who I am. I'm just a little small-time Scottish lass who's in love with makeup, and I'm reviewing it. That's pretty much all there is to it. So guys, this is the Mischief mattes, and I went for this one first because the colours just drew me to it. I mean, look how beautiful those are. The packaging itself is absolutely stunning, really just simple and elegant. I love the see-through packaging simply because you know what you're seeing, you know what you're getting, and I like that fact. This has 18 eyeshadows in it, and this is retailing for £8. So again, very affordable, under the £10 mark. When you open it up, obviously these are your colours. And another thing that I really like that they've done now is, instead of having the sleeves that have the names on it, you actually have the names on the palette itself. Now, I find that far better, simply because I lose all those little sheets. I end up losing them, I can't find them, and then I can't tell you guys what shadows I'm using when I'm doing a tutorial. So this way, I'm able to tell you guys exactly what shadow we're using, what colour, no hassles. These are super soft, so easy to apply, and super pigmented. These are pigmented AF. I have used this palette twice now, and I actually did a look with it on Instagram, which I did a rainbow coloured cut crease. Whew, guys, pigmented. And as you can see today, I've used a couple of the oranges, I've used the yellow, just, they're so pigmented, but they're so easy to blend, all the colours work together. You know, it doesn't matter what colour you choose from this palette and what look you're creating. Everything looks cohesive. Everything blends really, really well. Not a lot of fallout either from these eyeshadows, you know. A little tiny bit of kickback when you're applying to the brush, but it's nothing out of the way. I am super, super impressed, guys. Now, I'm going to do a couple of swatches for you guys in just a second, but I'm going to show you the lip pigments as well. So I have two of these, and the one I'm wearing today is Semblance, and I also have Immunity. Now, Semblance, as you can see, is just a really browny nude, and this is the packaging you get. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this is screaming YSL. Now, that could just be me, but I do see YSL in there, you know, their lip products and whatnot, and I think that's fabby, because I don't know about you guys, but coming from me, I can't afford to go and buy a YSL lippy. There's no way in hell. I was lucky enough at Christmas that my husband bought me that YSL foundation, which we managed to get when it was cut down in price. So it wasn't like we even paid the full price for that either. I'm in love. So these are super opaque and they go on the lips really, really easy. This is the sort of shape of doe foot. So one of those flat edged doe foot applicators. And I'm just going to apply that down there. And that is what that looks like right there. Now, how beautiful is that? Now, what I would say is they are matte, but they don't dry down fully, if you know what I mean, but they are matte. And I haven't found that I got a lot of transfer from them, to be honest. I mean, I haven't had any issue. I love that they've got a very comfortable feel to them. You know, I'm not feeling like my lips are drying out. I'm not feeling like they're tacky. I'm not feeling like I just want to get this off. It's a very comfortable lip. You know, it's just a beautiful, beautiful product. And I'm going to show you this one, which is Immunity. So this is more of a pinky, purpley mauve. Again, another beautiful colour. But guys, they have so many colours. So many colours. That's that one there. How beautiful is that? Now, how nice would that be like if, for instance, in the springtime, I mean, it's starting to warm up now. So we're just a really natural glowy eye, and with this as well, just that really springtime, summertime look. I love these. Love them. They are so comfortable, so easy to work with, so easy to apply. They are matte, but they don't dry down like that full-on matte. But I really do enjoy these guys, and I have to say, I haven't found much hassle with them. You know, they don't bleed, you know, they don't make your lips feel all that I need to get them off. They're just a very comfortable lip, and these are retailing for £4. Now, £4, and look at that packaging, guys. You would honestly think you'd went to the YSL counter and bought these. It's just a sleek black with your little window where you can see the colour that you're selecting. You've also got the Pro on top. They do come with these stickers as well, which I don't really particularly like on there, but you can, of course, there is a way. It's got a little lip there where you could just pick that off and that's you done. So they are the Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment. Like I said, amazing, guys. So comfortable, so easy to apply. And like I said, they are matte, but I don't find they dry down like a normal liquid lip. So that's what I like about them. A real velvety feel to them. Now let's get back to this little palette right here. I'm going to swatch some of these colours for you. I'm going to apply some of them to my arm, and then we'll show you what they look like. So I'm going to go, first of all, Ringleader. Ringleader is a very vibrant pink, as you can see there. And I'm just going to place that down there like so. So that is Ringleader. And then I'm going to take Fearless, which is the one next to Ringleader, which is more on the subtle side. It's more of a purpley pink, as you'll see when you see the swatch. So again, not as bright as Ringleader, but it does have that pop, and I'd say it is got more of a purpley undertone rather than this one. Now I'm going to take that yellow that I have on my eyes today. This one I absolutely loved. I have used quite a couple of times, quite a few times. I've only used the palette twice. You're getting ahead of yourself, Michelle. I use this like that in the look for my Instagram, and I've also used it here today. It is a beautiful, beautiful yellow, and this one is called New Day. As you can see, how stunning is that? Just a very, very pretty straight up yellow. And I have to say, guys, it is pigmented. Now, I'm pale and pasty, as you guys know, and if you don't, I'm like Casper the Ghost. And this showed up absolutely no problem on my skin tone. So can you imagine for a woman of colour or a man of colour, this is going to look absolutely like perfection on their skin. It's going to look so beautiful. The colours are just amazing, guys. Really, really amazing. And if they show up as vibrant as they do on my pale and pasty skin, they're going to be popping on coloured skin. It's just going to look amazing. Now I'm going to use Daydream, which is another like orangey colour. This is more of your straight up orange, this one right here. And we're going to just pop that next to New Day. They're getting further and further back, aren't they? So that is that one there. So again, just a straight up orange, but as you can see, it has that pop. It's got that pigment. And I'm going to go for now Crusade, which is a very, very like sky vibrant blue. Look at that. I'm going to bring these further this way so that we're not falling off my arm with them. So we've got that one, even though I'm trying, they're just getting further and further back. I don't know how that's happening, but there you go. So that is Crusade, which is just a beautiful, beautiful blue. And then one more I'm going to take, I think I'm going to take Exclusive. Exclusive is a really pretty purple. Again, I use this in my look for Instagram. And I'm just going to actually place this one down here so you guys get. So that is Exclusive. Just a beautiful violet purple. It's just so pretty. So as you can see, guys, these pop a punch. You know, they've got that pigment there. There's not a lot of fallout. I absolutely love this palette, guys, and I cannot wait to try more from this range. They have everything, guys. They have primers, foundations, concealers. They've got the lip pigments. They've got eyeshadow palettes. They've got smaller eyeshadow palettes also, which are £6. They've got your individual eyeshadows that are magnetic. So if you wanted to create your own palette, you have that option also. They've got eyebrow cushions. They've got pomades. You name it, they have it. They've released everything. They even have drops for your foundation. So if you wanted to warm up your foundation, they've got droppers for that. If you wanted your foundation to have that bit of glowiness and luminosity, then they've got illuminating drops for that. They've got lightning drops, darkening drops. They've got the bloody lot. They really do. So I have to say well done, because honestly, this brand is killing it. And I actually think Revolution Pro is replacing Freedom, which is a shame because there were some really good products in the Freedom range. But if this is anything to go by, the brand's just going to get better and better and better. I am a huge fan and have been a huge fan for a long time of Makeup Revolution. I think their products are A-class. You know, they're just amazing for not a lot of money, very affordable, very inclusive. You know, they include everybody, which I really, really like, because let's face it, guys, and I'm not meaning to be mean towards any brand, but how many brands have come out where their shades are just not inclusive? You know, you can't beat around the bush, they just aren't. Whereas a brand who is as affordable as they are, if they can do it, why can't everybody else? But that's just my thoughts on it. I don't want to bring a whole lot of drama to my channel. I just want to put the truth out there. You know, if an affordable brand can make products that are inclusive for everyone to use, why can't the higher end brands follow suit and do the same? Because let's face it, one foundation is not going to suit the next person. Face products are not universal. You know, foundation, concealers, powders, these are not universal products. So there needs to be an inclusive shade range when it comes to these products. And I just hope one day that can happen for every single brand, regardless of how pricey or how affordable they are. But anyway, guys, that is my little rant, and that is the products that I have got to show you today. I will be doing a tutorial using this palette so you guys can see exactly for yourself how they're going to apply and work on the eye. But as far as I'm concerned, guys, using them a couple of times, it's amazing. It's well worth the £8. I would say go and try them. You know, pick up a couple if you can. If not, just select one that you think looks best and go for it. That's what I did. You know, I just picked up the one because I thought, but it's well worth it, guys. And I'm about to, when I finish here, I'm about to place another order with them. And I think Superdrug now have them online as well. And I think that's actually probably where I'm going to go and place my order, because at the moment, guys, they have 3 for 2 on cosmetics. So you can get 3 items for the price of 2. So I think that's what I'm going to do right this second. So guys, if you have liked this video, you like what you saw, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, guys, I can't express how much it would mean to me if you did hit that button. And remember, if you do, hit that bell also, as that will notify you every time I upload, which is the Friday and Sunday. So guys, wherever you are in the world, whether it be day or night, I hope you're having a good one. Remember and stay safe, and we shall see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.